Is AI making humans mentally weaker? Title: The Silent Collapse. Is AI making humans mentally weaker? In 226, at 70 years old student in California did something shocking. He asked his AI assistant to write his homework, then summarize his textbook, then explain his thought for an essay, and finally he stopped trying to think for himself at all. When his teacher asked him a simple question in class, he froze, not because he did not know the answer, but because he had forgotten how to form one. This is not a rare case anymore. A silent question is spreading across the world. AI is artificial intelligence making humans mentally weaker. The rise of cognitive dependency. 10 years ago, people used Google to search. Today, people use AI to think. From writing emails to solving math problems to even deciding what to eat for dinner, AI has slowly shifted from being a tool to becoming a mental replacement. In New York, office workers report something unusual. They say they feel mentally lazy when AI is not available. One employee described it like this: It's like my brain does not want to start anymore. I just wait for AI to do is faster. This is where the concern begins because when thinking becomes optional, the brain starts choosing not to think. The decline of mental effort. Scientists call it cognitive off- offloading. When humans stop using their memory and reasoning skill because technology does it for them. We have seen this before. People stopped memorizing phone numbers, then they stopped reading maps. Now they are slowly stopping critical thinking. A study from cognitive researchers show when people rely heavily on AI from answer, their brain activity in problem solving region drops significantly, not because they are less intelligent, but because they are exercising their mind less, just like muscles. A brain that is not used weakness. The dangerous comfort zone. The real danger of AI is not that it is wrong, it's that it is too convenient. Imagine this. A student writes an essay with AI in 30 seconds. Another student struggles for 2 hours thinking deeply. Who learns more? The second student. But in a world driven by speed, the first student wins grades while he slowly losing thinking ability. This creates a dangerous illusion. I am productive, but I am not developing real human impact. In Japan, teachers report students struggle with basic writing skills. In the US, employers say new graduates depend heavily on AI for decision making. Even in creative fields, originality is declining. One designer said, I do not design anymore. I generate option and pick one. That's not creativity. That's curation, not creation. And slowly, humans are shifting from thinkers to supervisors of machines that think for them. The psychological shift, something deeper is happening when humans outsource thinking repeatedly. They start trusting themselves less. This creates lower confidence in decision making, reduced problem solving patterns, dependence on instant answer, fear the making mistakes without AI, and over time a subtle belief from AI thinks better than me. That belief is more dangerous than the technology itself. But is AI the villain? Here's the twist: AI is not actually making humans weaker, it is revealing something uncomfortable. Many people already prefer shortcuts over effort. AI did not destroy discipline, it exposed the lack of it. For strong minds, AI becomes a weapon of growth. For passive minds, it becomes a crutch. The difference is not the tool, the difference is the user, the future choice. We are standing at a crossroads. One path leads to faster thinking, smarter systems, enhanced creativity, human AI collaboration. The other leads to mental dependency, reduced attention span, decline in critical thinking, intellectual laziness, and the scary part. Both paths use the same technology. Final scene. So, is AI making humans mentally weaker? The truth is more uncomfortable than yes or no. AI is not replacing human intelligence, it is testing it. In this new era, the question is not what can AI do? The real question is what will humans stop doing because AI exists? Because they humans stop thinking for themselves. Is the day intelligence does not disappears. It gets outsourced. This is Beyond Rewired, where we explore the hidden truth behind technology and the human mind. If the future is begin rewritten, or we still the authors. And thank you.